This car is a Ford Ranger 2018 model car by turbo diesel engine 2.0cc. The problem with this car is that the car lost power while driving on the highway. There is no problem in starting the car engine and changing gears. This problem occurs suddenly while driving on the highway. What is the reason for the loss of power in the car? So I will check it step by step. So watch the video completely. I am showing you how I am solving the car problem, and on behalf of this channel, I sincerely congratulate you. Now I will start the car engine. There is no problem starting the car engine. Check that it has started. Now I will enter the car and check with the scan computer to see if there is any call. Entered the car. Now I connected the cable socket of the scan computer to the car's OBD2. I turned the ignition switch to the on position to check the car's engine fault code. I will check if there are any fault codes with the scan computer and show you. Click Read Fault Code to check the engine code. Condition is click the Enter button to view the fault code. Diagnostic trouble code p029900.27 indicates turbocharger/supercharger or underboost condition. This means that the engine control unit, ECU, has detected that the actual boost pressure produced by turbocharger or supercharger A is less than the desired or expected level. Symptoms you may experience with the p0299 code. Number 1, illuminated check engine light. Number 2, lack of power or acceleration. You may notice a significant decrease in engine performance. Number 3, general loss of engine power. Number 4, unusual engine noise. In some cases, you may hear unusual noises from the turbocharger or supercharger. Several possible causes that could cause the p0299 code. Air intake restriction or leak, a dirty air filter, clogged intercooler, or a leak in the intake hose or ductwork can prevent the turbocharger/supercharger from generating the proper boost pressure. Faulty turbocharger or supercharger, faulty boost pressure sensor. I will now check to see if there is any link between the turbocharger and the ambient inlet air and exhaust gas outlet of this car. I will check the turbocharger for white smoke to see if it is leaking. I put white smoke inside through the air filter hose pipeline and covered it with a cloth so that the smoke cannot come out. Now check to see if there is any leakage. Remember that if there is a leak, white smoke will definitely come out. Try leaking through the turbocharger compression housing and see how white smoke comes out. But if you give more air pressure, the white smoke leaks more. Now when I turn off the air pressure, no white smoke comes out. See if you apply air pressure again and see if white smoke comes out of the compression housing. Look for a leaking air hose pipe connected to the turbocharger. First, I will open the air hose pipe and check to see if the pipe is cracked. Look, the pipe that takes air from the air filter box to the turbocharger is leaking. So this air hose pipe needs to be replaced. I removed the turbocharger air hose pipe and then saw that the turbocharger's air inlet compressor wheel was broken. A broken turbocharger compressor wheel affects your car's performance and reduces boost pressure. The primary function of the compressor wheel is to pull in and compress air, which is forced into the engine. If the wheel breaks, it can no longer compress the air efficiently, causing turbo boost to be significantly reduced or completely eliminated. This results in a noticeable reduction in engine power, acceleration, and overall performance. I will remove the turbocharger for repair. I took out the turbocharger and now I will send the Ford Ranger to a shop to repair the turbocharger. After 2 days later, the turbocharger has been repaired and brought back. Now I will open it up and show you what changes have been made to repair the turbocharger. Turbocharger repair is changing number 1 turbo center housing, number 2 turbo turbine wheel, number 3 compressor wheel. Everything that has been changed is being sent with the turbocharger. Turbocharger.supercharger I will now reinstall inside the car. When installing the turbocharger inside the car, make sure that no screws are loose. This will prevent the turbo boost pressure from leaking. When installing a turbocharger, the hose connections should be tightened properly to prevent turbo boost pressure leaks. I completed the turbocharger by installing everything. Now I will connect the negative terminal of the battery properly. I connected the negative terminal of the battery. Now I will enter the car and first clear the engine fault code. After connecting the scan computer to the vehicle's OBD vertical bar socket, I turned the vehicle's ignition switch to the on position to clear the fault code. Now I click on Powertrain System, then click on PCM, Powertrain Control Module. Now I will click Clear Fault Code to clear the fault code. The fault code is cleared. Press Enter to continue. Now I will click Read Fault Code to check if the fault code has been cleared or not. The fault code has been cleared. There are no more fault codes now. No fault code. Now I will start the car engine. After I started it, the check engine light reset. Look, the check engine light is no longer on the dashboard meter. Now I'll go to the engine compartment of the car and see how the engine performs now after the turbocharger is repaired and installed. There are no problems after installing the turbocharger. Now everything is fine, no problems. Now I will drive the car and check if the engine power is okay or not. If the turbocharger is working properly or not. I drive the car and checked that the engine power is fine and the turbocharger is working properly. Now there is no problem, inshallah. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any problem understanding anything after watching the video, please comment.